Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study faster and easier. Let's dive into active recall, a powerful technique. Instead of passively rereading, actively retrieve information from your memory. This could mean using flashcards, answering practice questions, or simply quizzing yourself. This process strengthens neural pathways, making information much easier to recall later on. It's a highly efficient way to learn. Next, let's talk about spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing material at gradually increasing intervals. For example, you might review a topic one day after learning it, then 3 days later, then a week later. This strategic timing helps solidify information in your long-term memory, preventing the forgetting curve from taking hold. It's incredibly effective for lasting retention. Effective note-taking and summarization are crucial. Instead of just copying, try to rephrase concepts in your own words. Focus on the main ideas and key details, perhaps using bullet points or diagrams. After a study session, summarize what you've learned in a few sentences. This active processing helps you understand and retain information much more deeply. Finally, optimize your study environment. Find a quiet space free from distractions like your phone or social media. Ensure it's well-lit and comfortable. Also, remember to take regular short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour. This helps prevent burnout and keeps your mind fresh, allowing for more productive and focused study sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.